Hey, my name is Chanel and I am just speaking on Shop and Relax, a pretty, awesome, great shipping company. I would recommend it to anyone to use, they're always fast with their shipping. They do offer great rates, once your item arrives in Jamaica, you pay, a decent little, change to receive it. And also they do have shipping coupons, which are pretty awesome. Not many shipping companies offer that, which I really love. And also I really love the flat rate shipping. Yes, man. For purchasing items on Walmart, you can get them at a flat rate shipping cost, which is pretty reasonable, pretty reasonable. And I would recommend Shop and Relax to persons at work, share it in my work group with friends, yeah, so that they can also get the pretty awesome experience I'm getting. So I would recommend Shop and Relax to anyone. Awesome.